Hi, welcome you all once again in this video series of uh, Informatica Cloud. So, as all of you know, we have started the video series on possible errors and its solution during the development of IICS jobs. So, last time we have seen the incompatible mapping errors. So, today we will see about the next kind of error which usually comes while doing the development in IICS. So our today's error is related with the actually it's related with the kind of data issue. So when you running the IIC jobs and when you are dealing with the incorrect kind of data, you might get these kind of different errors like here I have mentioned. So you might get the error like error occur while fetching data from database, or in case of Snowflake database, and when you are running the jobs of IICS with Snowflake database, then you might get the another kind of error like numeric value not found error, or invalid number error. These are the possible errors which can be there depending on the which database you are using, and which database you are using related with your IICS jobs. So this is our today's agenda of discussion. So first we will see why this kind of error comes, and then we'll see what kind of solution we can apply. Okay. So first we'll see theoretically what exactly this. So this is the screenshot I have taken from the practical session which I have ran. So here you can easily see you got the error as a 4053 and message as a row error occur while fetching data from database. Okay, and in the detail error also you can see there invalid number kind of error. Okay, so reason behind this error like numeric value not found error or invalid number or error while fetching data. So most common reason for this is as you can see I have mentioned here. So this issue generally occurs when we are trying to compare the non-numeric data with the numeric data, or alphanumeric data with the numeric data. In the sense when you are trying to compare characters with numbers, or alphanumeric in the sense character plus number with numbers. So in that case you can definitely get these kind of errors. Okay. Also, when you are trying to insert some non-numeric data into the numeric columns, for example, you have the column as a salary, and you are trying to insert the data within a salary column as a 1, 2, 3 ABC. Okay, so this is alphanumeric character you are trying to insert into the numeric column. Okay, so this at this kind of situation you can get this kind of errors like numeric value not found or invalid number or error while fetching data from database. Okay, so example also I have mentioned here. When you are comparing a string column with the numeric columns or performing numeric operation on the string that is not convertible to a number. Okay, so when we are doing this kind of things, definitely you will get the numeric value not found kind of errors. Okay, so these are some possible situation I have just mentioned here. There can be other situation also where you can get this kind of error also. Okay, now let's see how we can avoid this kind of errors. So to resolve this kind of issue, so we need to take care of the some different things, like we have to make sure that whatever comparison you are doing, so make sure that the comparisons and the operation should involve the compatible data types. Means if you are comparing the numeric data, so that column should have the numeric data types only. Okay, or even if you are comparing the these different data types data columns, then you should use the particular data conversion function properly. Okay, so then only you can avoid this kind of errors. Okay, so I hope you have got the why these errors comes and how to resolve these errors. So we have seen the why this error comes. The main reason is what, when you are comparing the non-numeric things with the numeric data. Okay, and during the insert also, when you are trying to insert non-numeric data into the numeric columns. And possible solution for this, what we should avoid doing this kind of things, and we should make sure that you are comparing the right data types. Okay, right data, and the data should have the right data types mentioned in the database. Okay, so in short, you should compare the things by keeping in mind what is exactly the data types of particular column, and also you should make sure that the data which you are comparing is proper. Okay, now let's see about the practical of this. Okay, so first I will show you how this error can come. Okay, the as per the theoretical discussion, I will show you how this error can comes. Okay, and then I will show you another session where we have avoided or we have provided the resolution to this particular error. Okay, now first let me show you the database. Okay, so in the database, so for the first demonstration, where we are going to see how this error actually comes. Okay, so for that we have taken this table. Okay, so this name of the table I have given as a non-numeric. Here you can see I have three columns: employee name, random, and salary. Where you can see in the random column I have data as a alphanumeric, and in the salary column numeric data. Okay, so now I have fetched this particular table in my Informatica job, and we'll try to run that job. Okay, let me show you the Informatica jobs. So this is our Informatica job. Okay, so let me show you the simple mapping I have just created here to just demonstrate how this error can come. Okay, so here in this I have fetched this table in the source qualifier itself. So select employee name from non-numeric, where random equal to salary. So here we are comparing the two column data, random column and salary column, and you can see in the random column we have non-numeric data, and or the alphanumeric data, and the salary column we have the numeric data. Okay, so when you are trying to validate this will get validated. During the validation you will not get any kind of error, but when you run the job, definitely you will face the error which we have discussed. Okay, now I'm just running the job. I have shown you the data. Now here we are comparing the, in the random column there is a alphanumeric data, in the salary column there is numeric data. Okay, so we are comparing the non-numeric with the numeric. So we just run this and you will get idea what exactly the errors we are getting. So our job is running. So let's see. So here you can see our job has failed, and you can see the error which we have got. Here you can see the row error occur while fetching data from database, or we get the error here as a invalid number. Okay, so the main reason that already I told you, because here we are comparing the non-numeric things with the numeric. Now let's make change. I have another table that is a numeric one. Let me show you the data. So this is a numeric table, and here you can see in the random I have put all the numeric data, and the salary is already the numeric data. So I will make just one change in the in our job. So instead of numeric I will make this table as a numeric. We'll validate this and we'll run. Now we are comparing the numeric with the numeric only, so we should not get any errors as per our expected behavior. Okay, so let me run the job. Now we should not get any error. Okay, so our job is running. Let me show you what exactly the result we are getting. So here you can see our one row has processed without any kind of error. Okay, so as per our discussion, if you compare the right things, then you will not this kind of errors. But if your data only is having some kind of issue where non-numeric where the particular expected data is numeric, but in your data itself the non-numeric things are there, and in your query if you are querying doing the comparison of non-numeric with the numeric, definitely you can get this kind of errors. Okay, so that's it from this second error session. Okay, where we have seen the error and reason behind that and solution for that particular error. Okay, I hope all of you are understood this, and next time again I will come with another different kind of error and possible solution for that. Okay, thanks all of you for this your patience, and I hope all of you have got whatever we have discussed. Okay, thanks all of you.